Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build an effective dropshipping strategy with eBay detailed guide step by step. First, conduct thorough market research to identify trending products on eBay. Utilize eBay's search tools and explore categories to find items with high demand. Analyze your competitors to assess their offerings, pricing strategies, and customer feedback. Select a niche that aligns with your interests and has sufficient demand to sustain sales. Next, source reliable suppliers who can provide quality products at competitive prices. Explore platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, or Salehu to find trustworthy suppliers. Reach out to potential suppliers to verify their reliability and shipping capabilities. Once you've secured a supplier, create a detailed product listing on eBay. Write compelling titles and descriptions that highlight the benefits and features of the products. Use high-quality images and ensure the listing is visually appealing to attract potential buyers. Optimize your listings with relevant keywords to improve search visibility on eBay. Set competitive pricing by considering both the cost of goods and eBay fees. Implement effective marketing strategies to promote your listings. Utilize social media platforms to showcase your products and drive traffic to your eBay store. Leverage paid advertising options on eBay or external platforms for greater exposure. Monitor your listings' performance regularly to identify areas for improvement. Respond promptly to customer inquiries and maintain a high level of customer service. Establish a system for processing orders efficiently to enhance customer satisfaction. Continuously analyze sales data to refine your strategy and make informed decisions. Stay updated with eBay's policies and changes in market trends to remain competitive. Seek feedback from customers to improve your offerings and service quality. Adapt your strategy as needed to tackle challenges and seize new opportunities in the dropshipping landscape. By following these steps, you can build an effective dropshipping strategy on eBay. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.